Today you're going to be learning about isosceles triangles, right triangles, and equilateral triangles. Let's just look at some of the theorems, and that's all you're really going to be writing down today. So the base angles theorem states that if two sides of a triangle are congruent, then the angles opposite them are congruent as well. So if you have these two sides right here, AB and AC, then the angles opposite those sides are congruent. So the angle opposite AC is angle B, and the angle opposite AB is angle C. So these two angles should also be congruent. The converse of the base angles theorem is that if two angles of a triangle are congruent, then the sides opposite them are congruent as well. So you're just doing it, you're just flipping it around. The next one are some corollaries, and the first one is if a triangle is equilateral, so remember that's equal sides, equal angles, then it is equal angular. So equal sides make equal angles. And the next corollary is if a triangle is equal angular, then it is equilateral. So the sides, you're just flipping it around, it's a converse. There's some different ways that we've learned to prove that triangles are congruent to one another. One is the side-side-side congruence. The other one is the side-angle-side. The other one is angle-side-angle. And the last one is angle-angle-side. The hypotenuse-leg congruence theorem below can be used to prove that two right triangles are congruent. So let's look at that. Hypotenuse-leg congruence theorem. If the hypotenuse, so AC and DF, of a right triangle are congruent to the hypotenuse and leg of a second right triangle. So if we have this one congruent to this one and BC congruent to EF, then the two triangles are therefore congruent. And that's it. So just take your notes. Whoops, it started again. Have your notes, have the theorems down. Be ready to go.